Sabi ni Thanos, bakit pinipilit ng kabila na ipa-ICC ang case against Tatay? Because they have no case here locally. Sa totoo lang, naghahanap sila ng kakampi. At dito sa Pilipinas, lugin-lugi sila. Alam nila, this is an admission of the popularity of the former president and the popularity of the vice president. Alam nila pag dito dilitis si former president, tignan nyo lang yung nangyari sa Senado, it's going to be something like that again. Sabi ni Kylo, watching in Dubai, OFW, in Tucson, baka ni Saldi ko, pero merong pinag-uusapan sa FB mga posts about sa jet plane at chopper ni Saldi para matakpan. Siya po ba yung nakakuha ng panibagong chopper? Kasi may mga chismis na mayroong congressman daw na bumili ng bagong chopper. Pero by the way, hindi lang po siya ang may chopper sa Kongreso. Merong isa dyan. 3 ang chopper niya. Hindi lang niya nilagay sa pangalan niya. Kongresista ito doon sa North. Merong mga kongresista, wag pong kakalimutan. Yung iba dyan may-ari pa ng airline. Galing talaga, di ba? Pakayaman naman nila. Saan kaya galing yung yaman na yon? Sabi ni Mac, maybe it's time for the AFP to step up and lead the Filipino people to oust this admin. That's a crime, and you cannot rally people to do that. So, and yung sinasabi mo should be revolted. It's a good thing you ask this as a question because kung you're going to ask people to do that, then that's a crime. Okay? Inciting yan, and it's inciting to rebellion. Ngayon, the AFP cannot step up to lead the Filipino people, but they can intervene in the oppression of the government, of the people by the government. So that's in Article 2 of the Constitution. Thank you, Jinwoo. So, sabi sa Saligang Batas, the AFP is the protector of the people and of the state. So, yan po ang pinaka-ano nila, ang pinaka-power nila in order to intervene in these kinds of affairs. Thank you, Jinwoo. But they can only do that in their role as the protector. If they have to do that, they should do that only to protect the people. Walang nakalagay dyan that they can take over, walang nakalagay dyan that they should lead, and so on. Under the Constitution, they can intervene to protect the people. Betong says, nakakatawa si Abante at Dan Fernandez. Nag-comment lang ako ng di pabor sa kanila, ni-block ako. Naka-filter comment nila, bula ang propeta daw si A. Sabi ni Rick Clamo, gusto ko na po mag-people power pero ako lang ata mag-isa. Ay hindi sir. Pero ang tanong, kung marami sa inyo ang gusto nun, bakit wala kayo sa EDSA? Kami, pumupunta kami doon every Friday. Pag nandun kami Sabi ni Alfred, malinaw, Attorney Trix, very efficient ang partnership ng OVP sa mga private groups. Kaya ayan na, VP Sara for President 2028. Yes, the capability to bring people together to help the government. Malaki, magandang talent po yan. Diba? BCB says, pwede po ba mag-file ng TRO? Yes, ang OVP sa harassment ng mga congressmen. Yes, pwede naman po. Pero it will depend kung ano yung basis nila. Sabi ni Alona, why nobody protect in Davao? What do you mean, ma'am? What do you mean nobody protect in Davao? Ano po yun? Ma'am Karen says, diversionary tactic yan para pagtakpan ang pagnanakaw at hair follicle drug test. Pwede. May international aid ang EU at US, millions of dollars at euros for the devastated. Nasa na? May pinadala daw ang NBI kay Colonel Grijaldo, like PRD. Why don't Sarah shut this Kawatan.com up? Kasi we are in this misery because of IME and so-called garbage friendship. Interesting. Paki-elaborate po. Sabi ni Moy Moy, our favor in charter change. Bakit takot ang Senado dito? It depends on what the charter change is going to be. Kasi ako, I don't mind changing the charter, but I don't trust the congressmen to do it. Gusto nila charter change, pero sila yung magbabago ng saligang batas. They will be sitting as a constituent assembly. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng hindi sila makinig sa atin kung ano ang babaguhin nila sa charter. Bukod pa dyan, maliwanag kung anong gusto nila sa charter change. Gusto nila mas lumawak ang power ng Kongreso to initiate it. Meaning sila, kaya nila on their own to decide it, manawagan lang ang House Speaker. So, no, sir, hindi ako nagtataka kung bakit ayaw ng Senado dito. Babaliwalain mo yung power of a co-equal body. Hati, The legislature is made up of two bodies, Senate and the Congress. Magtaka ka kung bakit ayaw ng Senado na mawala o matanggal ng Kongreso ang kanilang powers. That's just nothing. Sabi ni Eugene, si Kong Paduano naman, pag may hinahanap na sagot at hindi makuha sa witness, nagsisinungaling. Pag hindi mapiga, iko-contempt. Which, again, is wrong. Sally Dave, thank you, times 10. Red Chino says, bakit po sabi ni Risa, bahay natin to yung Senado? Kailan kaya pinatayo at pera niya? Sino-sino ba? Oo nga, parang sinasabi niya, this is our house, wag kang balahura dito. Pinahiram lang po yan ng taong bayan, Senator Risa. Wala po dyan ang inyo. There is nothing there that you can call your own. All of that belongs to the Filipino people, kaya pinapahiram lang namin sa inyo. Sabi ni, ang political animal, dapat bang pumunta si Inday? Well, since it's an invitation, she can say no to an invitation, di ba? Raven says, I just watched Karambola. Iba talaga kapag andong ka. I hope you will have a radio program again. I was actually offered one recently, but we will see. I don't know if I have the time now because we're doing other things. Thank you. Yosh says, protect the addict, pusher, at the drug lord. Sabi ng Congress at ilang senador at huwag maawa sa biktima ng drug addict, pusher at drug lord. Aray. Sabi ni Nawar, Marcos presidency management is so weak. Yes, Maria Juana, thank you. Sabi ni Thanos, bakit pinipilit ng kabila na ipa-ICC ang case against Tatay? Because they have no case here locally. Sa totoo lang, naghahanap sila ng kakampi. At dito sa Pilipinas, lugin-lugi sila. Alam nila, this is an admission of the popularity of the former president and the popularity of the vice president. Alam nila pag dito dilitis si former president, tignan nyo lang yung nangyari sa Senado. It's going to be something like that again. Margie says, dito ka po kami sa KSA, kaya hindi makapunta sa EDSA. Pero ang FB ko, yes ma'am, thank you. Pinalalayas ko sa sa pin post si Marcos. Sayang ang pinapasahod natin. Oo nga eh. Oo nga. Kung hindi nila tayo titindigan, kung hindi tayo pagtatanggol, kung hindi nila tayo re-respetuhin sa ating kagustuhan ng mga ating, mga choices natin, then bakit sila nakaupo? They don't represent us. Yun yung punto ko. They stopped representing us the moment they've subverted their office. They converted their office as a weapon against the people that we profoundly respect. Thank you, Celeste. Magandang gabi kay Mama de la Stella. Purple and Grace, thank you, times 5. Okay. Miss Angeli, thank you. Sabi ni Ma'am Karen, andito tayong lahat miserable dahil sa pagtitiwala ni Inday sa pagkakaibigan niya kay Aimee ng mga magnanakaw yan and their allies. Lahat ng police personnel na matino at sundalo, pinapatahimik at tinatakot ni Lisa at Tamba. Ginagawang nga sa OVP at former president who has the highest rating na most trusted sa mga ordinaryo pa. Grijaldo daw is being harassed. Now my point is, we saw the brilliance of PRD in a hearing. Di ba dapat gawin na yan ni Sara? Total alam ng mga nasa likod ang 32 million. Hindi pa ba po niya ginagawa yan? Yung pagsasagot niya noon, hindi pa po ba yan enough? Nakita niyo yung mga drag me to hell niya, pati yung mga nakaupo siya doon. Yung sinasabi niya na, ito, well, I refuse to answer. Submit na lang po namin ito. Pinapalagan na po niya. Yun po yun. But I think what you mean is that you want her to stand up and lead. Yun po ba ang sinasabi ninyo? Thank you, Jaya. Carlos Milian says, watching from Annapolis, Maryland. Now lang yata ako nakatsyempo ng live nyo. Nalulungkot ako sa nangyari dahil natagal po akong makamarcos from the old one, but I am now more on Duterte. More power sa inyo. And your very existence gives lie to the new. Alam nyo ba, narinig nyo ba yung bagong hanash ng kabila? Uy, Purple and Grace, thank you ha. Yung bagong hanash ng kabila na ang nagpanalo daw kay VP Inday ay yung mga loyalista at yung mga loyalista daw ang naglagay sa presidency kay dating Pangulong Duterte. Thank you kay Jinru, Ma'am Marilu, Simply B. So, ang weird na parang pinalalabas nila na if it weren't for the loyalists, hindi daw mananalo ang mga Duterte. Wow, that's new. Sabi ni Love You Raven, I think nagsisisi mga kakamping na invite nila si PRD sa Senate. He slayed. That's true. Ma'am Maria, hi. Sabi ni Ma'am Imelda, bakit ba takot ang PNP at AFP sa Malacanang? Why? Pwede silang ma-court, ang AFP pwedeng ma-court martial, pwede silang makasuhan for insubordination. They'll lose everything, not just, not just income, not just their income, their stature and all that. Pwede pa silang makulong. So, diba? That it's very simple. Sabi ni Red Chino, pwede ba i-sacrifice si Rizzo for the sake of peace and order sa Pinas? What do you mean sacrifice? We can all just ignore her. I think that's the sacrifice there. I think we should all sacrifice and resist commenting about her. Just super, super dead ma her. Thank you, Kate. Kate Smiley Face. Sabi ni Ma'am Valerie, iilang piraso na lang naman ang loyalista, di ba? Miss Fangirl says, si VP Sara pati si PRD nagsalit na pero di naman nakikiisa sa rally ng Maisog. Ay, baliktad naman po yata. The Maisog people are closely identified with FPRD, sir. Ma'am, sorry po, ma'am. Inday Diake says, hindi na maloloko mga Pinoy ngayon. Nabudol talaga majority sa circles ko dito sa Down Under. Very sad. Lantara ng corruption dyan. Yep. Thank you kay Maria Juana, kay Rika, kay ano ba? Kay Ma'am Rika uli. Salamat po. Sabi ni Love You Raven, are you still talking to Senator Amy? What do you mean talking? Hindi naman kami like chika buddies on the phone or anything like that. She used to be my co-host sa Karambola. I saw her a few weeks ago with my Friday Club. The Friday Club is a group of journalists, most of us in radio. Ako na lang yata ang vlogger. But, she showed up because she's campaigning. So I saw her, nakausap ko naman siya doon. But if you're going to ask me, am I voting for her? Not sure. Depends on what VP indices. I'm taking my cue from the VP. Siya naman yung leader natin, di ba? Sabi ni Ray Mart, Duterte for 2025. Which Duterte is running for? Mayor, yeah. Tsaka si Mayor Baste. Tsaka si Kong Pulong. President BBM sent a rose. Wow. Jom says, ang ayaw ko lang dun sa Senate hearing is nung after kasi nag-press con pa si PRD, then gusto ni PRD na magtagal pa pero si Attorney Trick sleepy na sa side. Uy, hindi ako inaantok. I had to remind him na may pupuntahan pa siya the next day. Sabi ko, may ano pa kayo? May Batangas pa kayo? Ako to, si John Bon Jovi says, bagong narrative nila mataas survey ni BBM sa pero sa comments ng post nila, other way around ang sinasabi. Sabi ni Indico at 20, hi Attorney Sara, nakuha yung tapang ng tatay niya. Yes, magkaiba lang sila ng styles. Sabi ni Dark Incognito, yung term ni FPRD napakabilis ng 6 years. Totoo yun. Okay, ito a frequently asked question, tinanong ni Kim Verdad, kakasuhan po ba yung dalawang Crocs? Well, that will really depend on, Colonel Grijaldo himself. Siya po yung magde-decide, siya yung saksi eh. Mag-charge lang ako. Ayan. Ay, bakit yun? Ayan. Ito sabi ni Red Dragon, ngayon ko lang babasahin ang all caps mo ha, sa susunod wag po all caps. Sabi niya, kung sila ang nagpanalo kay Marcos, bakit natalo ng Vice President ang tinakbo? May punto ka dyan. Kay Joe Candy, sabi niya, follow kita kasi same tayo DDS. You know it. DXS, nakakakilabot yung survey na nilalabas nila, nakakagalit lalo. Well, gusto nilang manloko, wala naman unfortunately para sa kanila, hindi madali na manloko ng tao ngayon. Zeke, thank you very much. At kay Jing 0702. Sabi ni Ma'am Karen, exactly, sainthood. Sabi ko kasi ayoko mag-senador, I'm running for sainthood. Nerwin, thank you. Sabi niya, as an OFW, I expected more from VP kasi mas systematic siya mamahala, efficient. But after seeing the brilliance of her dad to turn that circus show in his favor, we expect more. Yung sumagot, wag paawa, ibulgar na yung video na hawak kamo niya pagsuhol kay Tambaso, the devil's mouth will shut up. Natameming nga lahat na according to the US, authenticated na suminghot si B. higitan siguro sumagot kasi ang genius ng tatay nakakatawa pero very moving kasi convinced lahat na, "Ma'am, bitin po." Sabi ni Ayan, "When you see Martin na may 60 plus rating, you know there's something wrong." Totoo yan. Lieutenant Colonel Fahutlao says, sa totoo lang, itong hashtag House of Representatives, hashtag Crocodile Tambi, at itong hashtag Tuwad na Hukom o Huwad na Hukom, they are not representing yung ikabubuti at para sa interes ng taong bayan. Itong mga moro at paggawa ng komedya sa Kongreso para sa sarili nilang interes at kapakanan kapakanan, ang kagandahan lang nito, lumalabas yung kanilang kapalpakan at garapal na muka, sunod-sunurang kay Crocodile Tambi. Hashtag yon. Thank you, sir. Sabi ni Gregorio Facula, he will follow our program. Thank you. Ma'am Celeste says, "Give us a signal pag needed. I will back sa Pinas for People Power." Sige, ma'am. If ever I do get the privilege of getting that information, I definitely will announce it. And I will announce it as publicly as possible. Thank you kay Willie Bulan. Juan Sembrano sa says, "May magagawa po ba tayong mga ordinary people to stop corruption sa House of Representatives? Thieves. Masyado ng malawak kapangyarihan ng mga party list representatives or congressmen." Thank you kay Ritz. Okay, ganito. You can write to the Office of the Ombudsman and ask for an investigation into the expenditures of the House, into the, itong ginawa nila kay Colonel Grijaldo, because this is still, an issue of corruption, di ba? Thank you kay Boss James. Thank you kay Lai. Uncle Red says, "Matutuloy po ba makasuhan si Abante at Fernandez? Kailan po kaya yon?" That's really up to Colonel Grijaldo. So, yun po ang iintayin natin. Mark De Jesus says, "HOR sends invitation to resource persons, which they can refuse. After that, they will send a subpoena for the resource person to attend. When the resource person still doesn't come to the inquiry, they will file a contempt order." No. They have to issue an order, a show cause order first. If they don't do that, if it's a contempt order na automatic, then they can be, pwede silang i-TRO. Is it legal po or fair? Because yung mga criminal meron right to ask for bail para makalaya, pero yung mga resource persons walang bail. Dalawa yung instances of detention without bail. Yan ay dito sa contempt orders, whether the contempt is in court or you're in contempt of court or in contempt of Congress, and in court-martial proceedings. So, no po, the Constitution doesn't provide for bail in these instances, particularly doon sa contempt citations, because these are administrative-ish in nature. AOI Tory says, "Can the OVP or its department heads legally file a complaint against the Congress for harassment since they are interrupting the OVP operations?" No, because it is an inherent power of Congress to conduct their inquiries in aid of legislation. Thank you, kay Maria. It's in the Constitution. But what they can do is ask for a restraining order or an injunction on the continuing hearings because they are not in consonance with the constitutional provision that says these hearings can only be conducted in aid of legislation. It's not a sure win because the Supreme Court might say that, it is really Congress that defines whether or not they are in aid of legislation. So there's that danger. But that is the way to go. It's a civil case, not a criminal case. Sabi ni Dark Incognito, "Bakit inaalaw po yung liquidation by certification lang sa mga congressmen? Pwede po ba yan mabago?" Okay. It's allowed because both houses of Congress, the Senate and the House, jointly agreed, and the COA also agreed. At sinabi, it is still in consonance with their legal mandate to audit. So, yun po yun. It can be taken to court to determine whether or not it is legal. Na it is still, if the assertion of COA is in accordance with the constitutional requirement that they should audit all the public expenditures. Thank you kay Charlie, kay Maria, Wise. Hindi ko, sabi ni Pinoy, akala ko si Tatay Digong mag-file ng case. Okay, let's see, ano yung personality niya to file the case? I think that if he could file the case because he is the target of the perjurious statement. But since it is in the attempted stage and not consummated and not frustrated stage, we're not sure if he has the personality to do that because he has no personal knowledge. Ang dapat po mag-file ng kaso is Colonel Grijaldo, pwede naman silang dalawa ni former president. Pero indispensable po ang participation ni Colonel Grijaldo because he is the witness and the victim at the same time, and a victim at the same time. Wala na po ako, sabi ni Rolando, ang name mo sa karambola nandyan pa, wala na po. Narinig ko pa pero ikaw wala na, sayang Davao City. Wala na po. Ma'am Maria, thank you. Sabi ni Ayan, I don't understand this. How can a certain congressman who was only elected by his constituents in a district have the power and influence to handle the national budget? Should it be done by someone who's nationally elected? No, it is not a certain congressman alone. It is the entire Congress. Now, yung sinasabi ni VP Inday na dalawa lang talaga ang may say dyan is what she's asserting is that there is something illegal going on. So, the House leadership dictates on its members. And kasama dyan, kasi chuwariwap or sidekick daw, si congressman ko doon sa sa kay House Speaker when it comes to the expenditures. Good point. Sabi ni Mike Ruiz, how can the confidential funds remain confidential if it was shown to the public to discuss? Good point. In fact, it's a very dangerous thing that Congress is doing. My wish is, and I think the Office of the Vice President filed a case about this. So we'll see exactly. I don't have a copy of their petitions. So we'll have to see what exactly the case is in relation to that. Pero tama yun hindi dapat yun nilalabas. Pati yung notice of disallowance, hindi dapat nilalabas. Thank you kay Chex. Okay, next. Sabi ni Mark Bracamonte, tama po ba kulang sa document si VP Sara para ma-justify yung sinasabi ng adjective used by COA? What adjective? Ang sinabi lang ng COA is may notice of disallowance, but the OVP still has time to substantiate their claim na dapat justified yan. Ngayon, kung disallowed, tapos sinasabi ni OVP justified, OVP can either file a case or COA can do that para ma-settle yon in court. Not ma-settle, but para ito ay ma-defend nila in court. Hi kay Flossie, DDS supporter from Cyprus. Ma'am Maria, thank you very much. Daming padala, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you very much. 6. Tapos kay Jinwoo times 13. Thank you very, very much po both of you. Meme, thank you very much. Sabi ni Riverside, Tambayan TV, Colonel Grijaldo needs the full support of the opposition. Lexiano, thank you. Sabi ni Vince, sana merong mga civic organizations that will initiate online petitions to demand or stop liquidation by certification of MOOE by members of Congress. Also, a petition against Abante and Fernandez sa Ombudsman. Kung meron na po ba pwedeng naming malaman yung link kung sakali? I haven't heard of any. Thank you kay Davao Investments. Sabi ni JJ, napanood ko si Attorney Glenn Chong at nasabi niya kilala niya si COMELEC Chairman Garcia at wala siyang tiwala dito. Nakakabahala po ba ito? Yes. Yes, it is. Thank you, Kiradsky. No. Sabi ni Jamael, is it not that subornation of perjury may be filed motu proprio by the Fiscal's Office of QC since the crime was committed in its jurisdiction? Who will be their witness? If the person filed will have to attach its evidence. O ano yung evidence nila? Kung hindi naman nila hawak si Colonel Grijaldo, how will they do that? So, what can be done is that the NBI or the PNP can investigate. And once they've investigated, they get the complaining witness, they get a statement from the complaining witness and attach it to the findings of their investigation, and they can file the case. But no, the prosecutor's office cannot motu proprio file the case. No. Ano nga sila quasi-judicial ang nature ng prosecutor's office. Sa kanila, fina-file for findings of probable cause. So, hindi sila nag-i-initiate. Sabi ni Afia, "Hi, I'm from Palol, Leyte and a DDS supporter since 2016. We love the Dutertes, lalo na yung Yolanda days way back 2013. Nakaka-touch sila, no? Nung ginawa nila yon. JJ says, napanood ko ito si Attorney Glenn. Ay, nabasa ko na pala yan. Sabi ni Ina Laila, your demeanor reminds me of Boots Anson Loa, admirer here. Oh, I know, ma'am. Well, I've met her several times. Kilala naman niya ako because she was active for a while with NCCA. Mostly sa Mowel Fund siya. But she's also the mom of my batchmate in Marinol. Marinol pa talaga. So, she's really nice. Way I see it says, magbabanggaan Senate and Congress sa inquiry nila sa WOD pag hindi makapunta sa Senate mga resource persons to testify in Congress. Yes, but I don't trust them to yung banggaan, so to speak, nila. Hindi sila mag-aaway dyan to favor the people, no? Sabi ni Pedi, kung bakit nananalo pa mga tulad ni Benny Abantes congressman represents what kind of citizens you are. Bakit ganun? Parang nag-sweeping generalization ka. Unang-una, distrito lang niya ang nagboto sa kanya. So bakit meron kang UR? Sino po yung U? Hindi po kayo botante? Sabi ni Alvin, i-invite pa po ba si PRD sa Congress? I don't know. They haven't reiterated their invitation. Sabi ni Ayan, I'm just wondering, when all these inquiries in aid of legislation are over, then there was no actual law or bill filed or rectified. Or let's say there's no productive result at all. Is there something a private citizen can do? After all, it was a waste of government resources. Will there be a possible audit? Ganito yan. The Constitution grants them the widest power and mandate to conduct inquiries in aid of legislation. Now, sometimes the result of that inquiry is that a law is not needed. Diba? They can conduct an inquiry if a law should be made or if an existing law has to be amended or repealed. But sometimes the finding is no law should be passed. It's not necessary kasi nahuhuli naman or something like that. So, mahirap yun. But what we can do is ask the Supreme Court to define what the standards are. How much leeway do they have? How often can they keep calling people to attend to their hearings to the point na hindi na nakakagawa ng trabaho yung mga tao dun sa ahensya? Ano na ang options ng taong bayan, sabi ni Riverside Tambayan TV? Admin manhid, AFP, PNP, mahirap pumalag dahil sa consequences. Next election na lang ba? Okay, ganito ang naririnig ko. This is a hypothetical situation. Thank you kay Mami Tapper. Hypothetically, it must be the people's initiative. I'm not talking about the law, or creating a law. Look what happened. Look at the lessons of history. Thank you, Ma'am Althea. How did 86 happen? Okay. Nauna yung mga tao. Now, they were already rallying before. Nung nag-defect yung mga military personnel, the people decided to protect them. So one or two things have to happen. Either the military takes the initiative under the Protector Clause, Fed-Evera, thank you, or the people lead and that they come in to protect the people. So these are the legal options under the 1987 Constitution. Given your situation, hypothetically.